welcome back to the Renson's Yard. Today, we address a few details on my small truck. First thing to do is to patch this small leak on my fuel tank. I knew I had a leak for about 6 months, but I couldn't find out where it was coming from. But the other day, with just the right light, I managed to find a tiny crack at the edge here. And I was debating replacing the fuel tank and putting it higher so we would be out of harm's way. But I got some fuel tank fixing putty for $10 on my hardware store, so I'll try that out first. Okay, so here's my mixed up putty. So I'll press it on and hold it there for a few moments. And then it should stick to the metal. Not to my gloves, just to the metal. The second thing I want to work on is the air intake and filter. Because in the factory location, it's sucking air in from this tube, which is just pointing down in the middle of the frame area. So when it's raining or in winter, it sucks up a bunch of water and salty brine and then clogs up the air filter. So what I'd like to do is to modify this so it doesn't suck up as much water when I'm driving in the rain. The obvious option would be to build a snarkel, but since I have a dump bed, there's nowhere to put it. We got the air filter out, and for those of you who are wondering how bad can it really be, listen to this. That's all sand that sucked into the air intake. Not good. Let's see how it sounds with just a straight open air intake. I found this giant pod filter laying around on the shelf, and I think it would be just the right size. And the intake hole is the same. The only thing is that I would have to modify this bracket so it can receive the filter somehow. I found this, which I think will be exactly what I need. I'll just cut out a square of these two fittings, which fit in here perfectly, and then I can just put that like that, no problem. Might look stupid, but if it works, it ain't stupid. I had to take a little break the other day to let the silicone dry, and it was getting a bit dark, so I'm back at it now. This is where I left off with the bracket. I ended up ditching the first piece of metal I was trying to use, just because it was bent too far, so now I have this piece, which should fit a bit better. And this is what the filter looks like. Right there. So I'll just have to finish bending that in place and attach everything back where it belongs, and that should be it. See you done. Here's our fully reattached bracket and adapter. Now we just have to put the filter. Just like that. And now for the burning question. How about our fuel tank patch? Did that do anything? Yeah. Let's see. How does it look? Not bad. Oh, that's no good. I guess I'll have to find some other way to fix it. Either weld it or replace the whole tank. That's it for this episode. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Let's take it out for a short drive.